Hey yo, what up, beautiful Mtata people? It's your boy Local Connect ZA. Welcome to the first episode Mtata Mchana podcast. Namhlanje silapha Mtata beating abs. More of Mtata uba uyazi, now uyayazi. It's a beautiful day, sunny kamnandi, silapha, and we just want to tell the people abangengoba semthatha uba emthatha siyakhipha. Emthatha kulapho ubunandi ubuthola khona. We're going to be here asking a few people about this lovely place and what it means to them, their favorite spot, so on and so on. So please, if you're watching this, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the follow button, the share button. Please make sure you comment. Yanicela bantu basekhaya, comment.
A few moments later.
Kuhle. Shabe khomani isikolo man, andizibambi mkhulu wami. Shapho man, yabigama lami ngilunga kwamatikane mkhulu wami. So senza i-podcast thina yalapha eMthatha yabo kuthiwa Mthatha Mchana yabo. Into esiyenzayo sifuna abantu bangaphandle eMthatha ba understand okanye babe ne-perspective of i-entertainment life okanye indawo zojabula entertain abantu yabo. Ingabi soloko into yomthatha uba kuyaliwe eMthatha, there's violence, there's that yabo. Siyayazi eMthatha une-culture. Ndifuna nje bra like njengoba silapha namhlanje in this beautiful morning, like okay, siqala lapha ngomni
Ngofaka kunyawo mhlawumbe ngobena kanye mhlawumbe ngobisi umntwanahle sithi izulu elikayehova umhlaba ngofako.
Local Connect khona ishow esiyenzayo yabo Mthatha Mchana. Sihambe sibuza nje abantu ngamakasi wabo uba ungubani mfethu yabo. So wena mfethu ungubani?
Inathi tayam yokwamanga usukuthi ngoba lapha
Ngangilizwe mfowethu. So what brings you to Mthatha Ngebs mfowethu?
like nje tama sejona njiwe apha man.
Yeah, nje la weka 50 cents window shopping mfethu. Like siya Brian, andabulela Brian. Hey make, by the way, xa umuntu ephumile lapha eMthatha yabo, let's say ongwalapha eMthatha. Xa uphumile lapha eMthatha uyiphuma mhlawumbe kuyephi indawo yawo odla ngokuya uthi hayi yabona lapha siyakhipha siyahappen.
Lapha ko bypass like your highness
Yeah, bypass SMJ.
Yeah.
X6. So ke yani sivele mfethu. Umfethu ngubani? Masiphinde sibaxelele.
Inathi tayam
Bakufumana njani kuFacebook?
Inathi Savage.
Inathi Savage Facebook ne?
Yeah.
Ayina underscore ayina ndoni.
Hayi tayam.
Dango tayam Inathi Local Connect ZA mina mfethu yabona rapper nenza yonke way man yabona ngoku ngilapha presenting my own podcast so that Inathi is cool mfethu. So ndiyabulela mfethu unfollowish nawe yabo. Wena tayam kanjani zabe grand mfowethu. Jab mfethu ngilunga kwamatikane man yabo. Ubhukula umkhwanasi umhlophe uhosi yabo ngwalapha eMthatha mfethu, but banibiza Local Connect ZA yabo. Ndi rapper silapha size ngomthatha Mchana Mall of Mthatha yabo. So wena mfethu ngifuna ukubuza nje ngekasi lakho ubungubani yabo. Ngubani wena mfowethu?
Mfethu ndihlomla hlala lapha nentsikinga ngelizwe.
Hlomla bani fani
Nongqele
isiduko mfethu kaloku singamaXhosa thina mfethu.
Ewe.
Okay mfowethu. Hayi ndiyabulela mfethu. So what brings you up wena mfowethu?
Ngizojonga nje ishop lezimbala.
Ikhona into eshotayo nje ofuna uyidibanisa ne?
Yeah.
Hayi ndiyabulela mfethu. Wena xa uphuma apha eMthatha yeyiphi indawo oqonda uba yabona apha ndingasenana yam apha ndithi nje check indawo.
Beating apps, right?
Beating apps. Yabona khona nendawo elungiswa abo News Cafe or Spare. So yeyiphi indawo ngoku oqonda uba ubukho waya kuyo mhlawumbe let's say most recent.
Monti.
Monti.
Yeah.
Monti ngabakhaya abantu baseMonti. Please make sure you follow us bafethu. Yeah. So for social media kuthiwa ngubani mfethu abantu bakufollowish?
Formula S Savage.
Formula S. So it's Savage Gang le enhle. Okay. So Savage Gang bafethu phethe Savage Gang eMthatha. Make sure you follow abafethu. Formula S
Savage.
Yeah, thank you so much Lomla mfethu. Benemini emnandi la. Mojo. All right. Yeah, akho. Khomani yami. Kuhle mkhulu wami.
Shap kanjani mfowethu?
Shap mkhulu wami. Igama lami ndingulunga wakwaMatikane, uBhugula, umkhwanazi, umhlophe. Singaba ngapha elisikisiki but ke ndizalelwe apha eMthatha mna. Ndiza apha nje mkhulu wami ndikubulisa nje in such a warm and a respectful manner because ke mna ke I believe this is it Khotman yami. Ndizo represent local connect ZA. Sine show apha esiyenzayo apha eMthatha ethi Mthatha Mchana podcast where we go around uMthatha kwezi establishment izinkulu. Sidibana nezo individuals, ask them about their whereabouts, yabo indaweni ezithandayo.
Yeah.
What inspired, like umzekelo, what inspired the outfit today, yabo, but sofika apho.
Yeah.
Okwangoku nisafuna ukwazi ba umkhulu walo lapha phambi kwami kubani.
Abanthandayo bandibiza uSK nguseko lo. Isename Quluba, umfene lo ngidisa uJambasi, uhlanga umveli wenu. Usanzatha. Ikhaya lingapha eBhasiya.
Oh.
Kulala ukuthi waseJojo. Phansi kwasehlathini ngakhona.
Hayi entabeni kanje.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ngokoxeleyo ngandiphangela phi apha eBogat, yabo. I'm also a fashion designer, yabo, by profession.
By profession.
Yabo. But ke ngoku ezinye izinto siye singakwazi ufikelela kuzo ngela xesha because uyabona uMthatha it's a very small town, yabo.
Yes,
So ufuneka usurvive and then choose a routine yoba phi retail, yabo.
Yes.
So ndim lowo, yabo, SK.
SK.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Abanye bandibiza Mr. S.
Mr. S.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, by the way, if udibana no Khotman,
Yeah.
ayingo SK, Mr. S.
Yeah.
Mr. S. Khotman, what inspired the outfit today?
Namhlanje like I wanna like say winter ne, yabo.
Yeah.
Winter wise yonqeneka novuka ne.
Yeah.
And then ngiyihlanganise bo ma polo neck and then coat as well, yabo.
Yeah.
And then but with a color combination is very important. Unganxibi nje bengathi ukutya kwasezilalini. Ubona ukutya kwamngcwabo sezilalini. Yabo, bengathi udibene ibhitruthi, udibene necarrot kule nto iyi-1, yabo. Yeah, so ndazama ke ngokuhlanganisa i-colors. If you can see bangaba my coat is matching with ilanduka isihlangu sami ezantsi, and then the polo neck is matching with the soul yesihlangu, yabo. And then I have to break la navy ke ngoku ndimbreaka ngantoni, ndimbreaka ngalo light green, not green or strong.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that was like the color of the day, actually, like combo and namhlanje.
Combo yanamhlanje, yeah.
Alright,
So
alright,
you have to
Khotman.
keep the combos communicating.
So if you can check me, am I communicating Nogo?
Yeah, there is a bit of brown pie ezantsi of which all black bingazibonakala mhlawumbe le hood or i-bands ezizigcinileyo, yabo.
Yeah.
And then ungazi black, yabo. But if we are all black,
Yeah.
uzilele bani, yabo. Because check here.
Yeah.
Print here. Then check your sneakers down there.
Yeah. It's also on the back. I think.
Exactly.
Okay.
So the combos are communicating.
Okay. Size ukuvutha indaba la namhlanje. Sorry for
Yeah.
that call. Size ukuvutha indaba la namhlanje. Khotman, ndivuyela uba usipana apha. But I want to know how to yaphuma nje. Let's say uyothatha nje ikhefu apha eMthatha.
Yeah.
Nje uyophumza ingqondo. Okanye you are going for a business drink. Okanye you are going to meet a client somewhere. Nyobethe irask and kofu.
Yeah.
Where do you go besides apha eNgebs?
Besides the pengaps, I would prefer a golden.
Yes.
Yeah, golden.
Golden Butcher Block.
Yeah.
Golden Butcher Blocks and North Crest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would prefer yona. Other than that, more or ivory is for me.
Ivory.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Which is
ngiyabona nawo
home.
bangaba.
Yeah.
And this is where ziyazithi so what is your tintin, yabo.
Yeah.
And this is kuva kwendawo ezirong, yabo. So I would say golden. Yeah.
Okay. Hayi Khotman yami. Senzela abantu abangengoba lapha eMthatha
Yeah.
to understand and know that there's people, there's culture. People are living. It's not like a jungle in
Yeah,
Mthatha.
Mthatha is a small town, but ke ngoku kuyaphileka apha.
Yeah.
Igold siyirhumba apha eMthatha.
Yeah.
Ilapha. Yabo.
Yeah, ndiyabulela mkhulu wami.
Into yokubalulekileyo bangaba funeka adjust uzixebe bangaba ndilapha eMthatha ngoku, yabo.
Yeah.
Ndifuna ntoni na.
Yeah.
Siyazazi iskandali ziyenzeka apha eMthatha, but into yokubalulekileyo bangaba zazi bangaba yinto le right ifunayo wena. Simple.
Yeah. For the socials, masitsho for the socials, abakufuna ukufollowisha Instagram, Twitter,
ngu SK Siseko Quluba Facebook, and then SK Siseko Quluba na Instagram. I don't have Twitter page. Yeah.
Make sure you follow Umkhuluwa. And for the people that like custom wear and styled artists, yabon abantu abanjengami xa ndiyakushow, I'm making sure uba ndiyaqala phaa eBugatti qala before.
Qale ndiyonxibisa man.
Yabo. Who's that guy?
Men B.
Tatumen B.
Yeah.
Tatumen B. Please dibane no timer. Please dibane no timer.
Imthinje.
Nje hanyana nje.
Kodwa ukeke nimthinje. Okay, ngobe le nale. Dibanise izikhalazi ezinezi. Yabo.
Invitation ke Khotmani iphumile. Khuluwa wami benemini emnandi siyabulela Khotmani yami. Yeah man.
Kanjani for? Bulela mina mfowethu.
Yeah man.